The Illinois Fermentation and Agriculture Biomanufacturing Tech Hub is poised to become a global leader in precision fermentation and biomanufacturing. The hub's unique proposition is to leverage a revolutionary lab-to-line approach to solving a technology bottleneck, addressing every step of technology maturation and development, in addition to inputs required for a thriving economy. Biomanufacturing is a revolutionary and sustainable way to approach many traditional manufacturing practices. Developing a new manufacturing platform requires many technology developments. This development and innovation begins at the bench scale within research organizations. The University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign is a leading institution in both agriculture and engineering and is a driver of new technologies. When biomanufacturing technologies are ready to stand on their own outside of a research lab, they often find homes in startup companies. With one of the best university research parks in the country and a plant incubator space, iFAB is prepared to help biomanufacturing companies thrive at their earliest stages. The next step in the journey can be found at the Integrated Bioprocessing Research Lab. IBRL was designed to help companies transition from early-stage development through pilot-scale proof of concept. The facility has a proven track record of supporting precision fermentation and bioprocessing companies. With EDS support, IBRL is poised to triple the companies it can support, thus increasing the number of industry successes. When technologies graduate out of the research and development environment and need partners for first manufacturing runs, a collaboration with a synonym preeminent joint venture iProof enables companies getting product to market while minimizing capital investment by early-stage resource-limited companies. When these technologies are proven and ready for manufacturing, there's no bioprocessing partner with broader reach than ADM. ADM's Decatur plant not only provides options for co-locations, but also ties to venture capital and a depth of knowledge in all bioprocessing industries. ADM can ensure commercial success for biomanufacturing technologies and companies. Economic success is not guaranteed with these important infrastructure partners. Precision fermentation, like all manufacturing technologies, requires raw materials. For precision fermentation, that is corn dextrose and a skilled workforce. These inputs to the bioeconomy can also be found here in the iFAB region. The 7 shovel-ready projects that iFAB proposed all address aspects of biomanufacturing from lab to line within a 51-mile radius right here in central Illinois.